The French government has shut down a mosque in Beauvais over radical sermons that allegedly defended jihad. The mosque will reportedly remain shut for 6 months. Reports said that sermons there incited hatred, violence, and defend jihad. The move comes 2 weeks after Interior Minister Gerald Darmanin said that he had triggered the procedure to close the site because the Imam there is targeting Christians, homosexuals, and Jews in his sermons. The minister said that this was unacceptable. Local authorities were legally bound to launch a 10-day period of information gathering before taking action, but told AFP on Tuesday that the mosque would now be shut within 2 days. Local daily Courier Picard reported this month that the mosque's imam was a recent convert to Islam. A lawyer for the association managing the mosque told AFP that it had filed for an injunction to overturn the ban. The lawyer, named Samim Bolaki, said that there would be a court hearing on the appeal within 48 hours. The authorities said that the imam, who the association claims had preached only occasionally and had now been suspended, was in fact a regular presence at the mosque. AFP reports said that the Imam had called the jihad a term of war against the enemies of Islam, a duty, and had glorified its fighters as heroes who protected Islam against Western influence. The report further said that the Imam had also labeled non-Muslims as enemies. The French government announced earlier this year that it would step up checks of places of worship and associations suspected of spreading radical Islamic propaganda. The crackdown came after the October 2020 murder of teacher Samuel Paty, who was targeted following an online campaign against him for having shown controversial cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad published by the satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo during a civics class. The Interior Ministry said this month that around 100 mosques and Muslim prayer halls out of France's total number of more than 2,600 have been investigated over recent months because of suspicion that they were spreading separatist ideology. It said that 6 sites were being probed with a view to closing them down on the basis of French laws against extremism and Islamist separatism.